DeepSeek, the Chinese AI platform, is now at the center of a major U.S. crackdown that could make downloading and using it a criminal offense. The U.S. government is reportedly considering new legislation that would criminalize the use of DeepSeek, with penalties of up to 20 years in prison and fines reaching $100 million for corporations that violate the law. This drastic measure underscores growing concerns about national security, data privacy, and the influence of foreign technology on American infrastructure. The proposed legislation comes as cybersecurity experts sound the alarm over DeepSeek's data collection practices. DeepSeek, like other Chinese-developed AI platforms, is required by Chinese law to share user data with the government upon request. This means any American user's data could be accessed, monitored, and even used against them by foreign authorities. With rising geopolitical tensions, the risk of sensitive data being compromised has never been higher. Several cybersecurity experts have warned that DeepSeek's data storage and sharing policies make it a potential backdoor for espionage. The U.S. has long been cautious about allowing Chinese tech firms access to American data, with previous cases like TikTok and Huawei sparking national security debates. However, DeepSeek's integration into AI applications and potential use in research, business, and government work makes it an even bigger concern. Security analysts have pointed out that DeepSeek does not meet U.S. cybersecurity standards, lacks transparency on its data encryption policies, and could be used to gather vast amounts of information on American users. The risk is so significant that the U.S. Navy has already banned DeepSeek from all government-issued devices due to the potential for security breaches. Meanwhile, DeepSeek's censorship and information control add another layer of concern. The AI system has been found to avoid answering politically sensitive questions that go against Chinese government policies. For example, when asked about controversial topics like Tiananmen Square or Taiwan's independence, DeepSeek either refuses to respond or provides answers that align with the Chinese Communist Party's views. This means Americans using DeepSeek could be exposed to filtered information designed to push a specific agenda. The threat of foreign influence through AI is real, and the U.S. is taking steps to ensure national security is not compromised. By making the download and use of DeepSeek a criminal offense, the U.S. government is sending a clear message. Chinese AI platforms pose a risk too great to ignore. If this legislation passes, anyone caught using DeepSeek in the U.S. could face severe legal consequences. Individual users could be fined up to $1 million and sentenced to 20 years in prison, while corporations that integrate DeepSeek into their systems or services could face fines of up to $100 million. This move also reflects a larger battle for control over AI dominance, as China and the U.S. compete for leadership in the global AI race. The U.S. has already placed heavy restrictions on exporting high-end AI chips to China, and this new legislation would further limit China's ability to access and influence American markets. For everyday Americans, this means being extra cautious about the AI platforms they use. It's more important than ever to choose secure U.S.-approved AI models that prioritize data privacy and user safety. DeepSeek, with its questionable practices and direct ties to the Chinese government, is simply not worth the risk. So, what do you think? Should the U.S. make DeepSeek illegal? Do you believe foreign AI companies should have access to American user data?
Let us know in the comments below.
If you found this video informative, hit like, share it with others, and subscribe for the latest updates on cybersecurity, AI developments, and tech regulations. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.